Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a verified personal profile, business email, and payment method. Go to Business. Facebook. And click Create Account, enter your business name and work email. Once done, verify the email link Facebook sends. This links your business identity to the account. Make sure to pick a clear business name because it appears in Add Invoices and Pages. Save login details in a secure manager so accessing later is fast and auditable. Next, add your core assets: pages, ad accounts, and pixels. Click Business Settings, choose Accounts, then add either Create New or Claim Existing, enter the page or ad account ID. After that, invite teammates under People, assign precise roles like admin or advertiser, and require two-factor authentication for sensitive roles. Then attach your payment method and set a primary billing account so ads can run. These steps let you control access while tracking who owns each asset. To finish, verify your domain and brand safety to prevent unauthorized link edits and set up your Pixel and Conversions API so tracking is accurate. Use Event Manager to test events and ensure purchases or leads fire correctly. Review security. Enable two-step authentication and set up admin backups. If something goes wrong, first check role permissions and ownership for the asset, then clear browser cache or try an incognito window. If stuck, re-invite the user or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.